Yeah, I don't lie, I don't make up stories. I make people cry, tell the truth. I know that it hurts, but at least you didn't die. It ain't real, it's all in your head. That's why I don't mind, they just mad. Always talking trash, trying to waste my time. I'm not a newbie, in a trap like Booby. This is every night, life's a movie. Even when they boo me, I still act polite. Preachers preaching, after church we eat. Then go back living life, talk is cheap.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here, and today I'm going to be showing you by popular demand, because yesterday I posted on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see a blow dry twist out or if you want to see a top knot sleek bun. I recently did a sleek like ponytail, but everyone wants to see a top knot sleek bun. So I'm gonna deliver that for you guys. It's not going to be a very long video. I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. Ingredients, got my comb, as always, the spray bottle, got the little gel, and trying to do edge control, and my brush. If you see like some crustiness on my face, I got this aloe vera gel on right now, so don't mind that, please. We ain't gonna talk about it, all right? So I also got my scrunchie. My hair right now is extremely dirty, so after I make this video, I'm actually gonna wash it. It's really dirty, it's thick. I don't really know how I'm gonna get it up in a bun. I feel like it'll be that bad, so I'm gonna start by always spraying my hair with some water. I hate when water drips on me. Probably like this girl take showers. I take showers again. My Eco Styler gel, all right. Take a little Glock type of thing, and just like paste it onto here. This isn't that hard, but y'all gonna see in a second. So right here always like leaves lumps, so I'm gonna like comb it while it's wet with the gel. Y'all gonna see in a second. One second. Then I take my brush. Do y'all see the sleekiness? That's really the reason why I like to comb the front, because I need it to like be smooth like butter. So the back, all right, I don't know how high I'm gonna do it. Maybe the center of my hair is super thick, super thick. This high of a bun, I haven't done one of these since high school, but I used to love, if you went to high school with me, I used to love this little top knot buns, I kid you not. I put some gel back there, brush it. Brushed it. My arms are killing me. Does this happen to y'all? When y'all do your natural hair and your arms just like, it's like a little workout. Take my scrunchie. Don't pop, baby girl. Strand right now. All right. This is perfecto. I probably thought I was doing something extraordinary, huh? Probably feel like everybody else do something like this to their hair. Just wrapping around the thing around my head, take a scrunchie, and there we go. There we go. What's up? I know y'all see these flyaways. I feel like I look like a little girl. I'm telling y'all, these are the hairstyles that I used to do when I was in high school. You know the drill, just get my hair into the direction that I want it to be in. I love sideburns. Y'all probably see me like brushing down sideburns often. I really do like having sideburns. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take some of these. I don't really have to make it that perfect, because I did say, I just told y'all that I'm literally about to wash my hair. Like right after I turn this video off, I'm washing my hair. That is all, and that's it, and that's on period. This is my little tutorial on how I get a top-knot sleek bun or whatever. I feel like I look like a little girl. I said this a million times already. Looking forward, so I don't really want to look forward. So I'm to the side. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you see the edges? Fleeky, huh? Fleeky, huh? Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for what other hair videos, any kind of videos you want to see. Comment down below. Let me know. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Get me to 1,000 by the end of June. I got a month to get over 100 subscribers to be. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. It was super quick, easy. I hope this was probably helpful, I guess. I hope so. I mean, like, I want all my videos to be helpful, so hopefully, like, the way I did my bun probably like inspired you a little bit to do your bun a certain way or whatever. Even that is enough for me, and I'm done talking because I'm gonna be talking forever and I got things to do. So I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Peace.